Hello, you beautiful people. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. I just feel really happy that this year has changed. I don't know for how long. I was waiting कि 2024 खत्म हो जाए. Like 2025, is just going to be a new start of I don't know what yet, but I'm pretty sure whatever it's going to be big, it's going to be banger. Just this year feels so positive, so energetic. As much as I want to talk about how I'm vibing with this year, I would also like to share the affirmations that I am practicing for this year. With that, I have created this very minimalistic makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look and also the affirmations that I am practicing to make my 2025 better, then please keep watching. As you can see, my skin is already prepped and I've prepped my lips using the Indie Dewy Lip Treatment. If you have seen my previous video, you know how much I love it. Next, I'm using this primer from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. Now that our skin is prepped, let's get into the video. I'm starting off with this Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte Cosmetics. The first affirmation for 2025 is my year. I think 2023 and 2024 were the 2 years which I felt personally were the craziest years of my life. I don't think what I went through, I deserved that. I strongly believe that 2025 is going to be a great year for me. I felt like, the past 2 years, I blamed everything on life situation and I was just healing from whatever happened with me and all of that, and I was just like okay, it'll get better. But now I am the one who's going to make it better. I know it. During November, when I felt like no, I have to make a step ahead, I wrote down the things that I want to achieve in 2025. I made that my goal, my mission, and I started prepping myself for 2025 since December 2024. I think on 31st December 2025, I'm not going to sit and cry and be like, oh my god, another year that got wasted or another year that was a lesson. No, I will remember this year as the year that I won. Next, I'm going in with a skin tint from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade 28C. I'm gonna look a little crazy when I apply this because I like to apply this with my hand. I do not like to use any sort of tools or anything like that because I feel this gives me like the most flawless finish. My next affirmation for 2025 is that I am going to make myself free from all the grudges that I hold and make peace with myself. I'm going to sleep peacefully every single night knowing the fact that I will not hurt anybody, but I will also not tolerate disrespect or anything that makes me lose my self-worth. I'm going to just free myself from all the things that are holding me back mentally, especially because our mental health plays a very big goddamn role. Next, I'm going in with this Gush Beauty Stacked in Your Favor. This is a really great product, especially when you're traveling or something like that. It has your blush, highlighter and contour packed all into one. One of the affirmation that I really practice also, that I'm going to stop seeking validation. I do not need someone to tell me this is what is good, this is what is not. I have been somebody who really cares about people a lot, and I could say that I was a people pleaser at one point of time, but I know now it does not bring me happiness. I'm going to only serve my purpose, and that's it. I'm going in with the blush now. Another affirmation that I'm practicing this year is wealth is constantly flowing in my life. I do not want to be the person who jokes that, you know, I'm broke or I don't have money, my bank account is like this and that. I read a book that said that when you speak negatively, especially about wealth, the universe attracts it. And sorry, we do not want to attract anything negative. I'm taking some loose powder from Maybelline and just going to like tap it under my eyes. Another affirmation to practice this year is I will overcome all my negative thoughts with a positive mindset. If you are someone who is an extreme overthinker who always keeps thinking of the negative before the positive, then you should start affirmations, reading affirmations, saying them out loud to yourself, and do whatever the hell you have to do to ensure you have a positive mindset. Because I think when you're positive, it helps you navigate your way through your problems. If you're being negative, you're just going to sit, overthink, overanalyze, and just going to waste that time. Next, I'm just dabbing into the contour product and going to use that as an eyeshadow. Another affirmation that I'm practicing this year is I'm going to overcome all my fears. I'm going to step out of my comfort zone. कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Stepping out of our comfort zone is very difficult, but this year I feel like I want to jump out from all the boxes that I can. Next, I'm going with this mascara from Huda Beauty. It's the Legit Lashes. Another affirmation that I am going to practice in 2025 is patience is the key to everything. And this was a very good lesson that I learned last year. My dad got his first car last year. He's 58 and he got his first car. The only thing I learned that day was that you have to keep working hard no matter what. You can't be thinking that, oh, if I do this then I'm going to get this, oh, if I do this then I'm going to get this, at this age I want this age I want that. No, I think like if you want something, you constantly keep working unless and until you have it. We are so fixated over things like I want it. I know I'm going to get it, but I think I have to be patient enough for it to come to me. And that's like the biggest takeaway I have from this story. Next, I'm going in with this lipstick from Nykaa. It's in the shade Wake Up Makeup, and I'm not going to apply it directly. I'm just going to like dab it. Really like how the shade is. I do not straight away just apply this because I really like the flushy look that it gives. I'm going to top this off with my most favorite TLT. I'm absolutely obsessed with this, and to be on IndieWild's PR list is on my vision board this year. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is my very minimalist beauty makeup routine and my affirmations for 2025. The last one, which I have been practicing since a while and I think I want to keep practicing all my life, is having gratitude towards every small thing. Just as simple as waking up, breathing, having food on my plate, my parents waking up every single day, everyone that I love is healthy, happy. I'm just grateful for that. I'm grateful for people who love me silently, people who love me very loudly, people who give me hugs, who send me long texts and just make me happy. I'm grateful. I'm just grateful to anyone who just makes a call and checks on me. These are the things that really matter in life. And just be kind to yourself, to everyone around you, and let's just make 2025 the year where you and I, we both achieve every goddamn thing that we prayed for, we wished for, and get things more than what we deserve. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and more such videos coming up soon. You can also follow me on Instagram on @othersideofkrishi. Bye.